First off, she was right. I needed a breath. I'd just like to thank every single one of my students. All members of the Ag Academy, if you could, please go ahead and stand up for me. These kids right here are part of the only dual enrollment ag program in the state of Alabama. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here. I'm just exceptionally grateful to them, exceptionally grateful to Pike County Schools for everything they've done to be able to build this program, and exceptionally grateful, and definitely they're the ones that deserve the award, but I'm very grateful.